Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dina Danielle. If you have not been here before, then welcome, and be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any future videos. Today I am going to be trying these Crest 3D white strips to whiten my teeth. I have had these for a while now and I've just been waiting to do them. I was going to do a full makeover and dye my hair as well, but it's just taking too long, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do these, and then if I end up dyeing my hair, I'll do that in another video. So it says that it removes 5 years of tough set-in stains. There's 24 strips, 10 vivid whitening treatments, and 2 1-hour express whitening treatments. I'm gonna do one of the 10 vivid whitening treatments and see if there's any difference. So it says use once a day for 30 minutes. So I guess you're supposed to use it 10 consecutive days, because there's this many in the package. I'm holding them out like a deck of cards. So the 1-hour express ones are at the top. We're gonna save those for later. And we're gonna use the classic vivid. Let's read the directions, shall we? Okay, so there's some commonly asked questions here, but then the directions are super simple. These are the directions. So you just peel, apply the lower strip first using a mirror, apply gel side of strip on front teeth. Align straight edge of strip with gum line, press gently with finger pad for 2 to 3 seconds onto front side of teeth, fold over teeth, press gently with finger pad for 2 to 3 seconds onto back side of teeth. Wear for recommended time, remove and discard. So I'm gonna have some water before I do this because I'm kind of thirsty and I don't think that I'll be able to drink water while I have these on. I'm also doing this at like, what time is it? It's like 6:30 almost, so it's like right before dinner. I'm sure that's a great time to like do these. I should probably do them after, but I have time now, so I'm gonna do them now. So we're gonna open this, just one of these little guys. That didn't work very well. Might need some scissors to open these. So the bigger one must be the top, the smaller one's the bottom. Okay, so just take this off, peel. It's a little sticky. And then you apply, oh, I just peeled the top off. It says to put the lower strip on first, but I have the top one. So I'm gonna put the top one on first and I'll do this right next time. Okay, they're on. It feels kind of gross, I'll be honest. And now I wait 30 minutes and I'm gonna go do whatever and come back. It's been 30 minutes and I cannot wait to take these things off, so. Wearing the Crest white strips for 30 minutes was like not super pleasant, but it wasn't like too uncomfortable or unbearable. It just sits on your teeth and it holds to it, so it's not like really coming off. You can still talk. You probably don't want to drink water. You're definitely not going to eat anything. And the taste is strong. So here is a before. My teeth aren't super stained, but I did want them to be a little more white. I drink coffee every day. I do brush my teeth every day. I try and floss every day as well. Wanted them to look a little more vibrant, so that's why I'm doing this. So that was day 1. I have 9 more days of the Crest White Strips, and then I will come back to you guys and report how my teeth are looking. Hi you guys, I am back. I went through the entire Crest Whitening Strips. There were 10 that were the 30-minute ones, and then there were 2 that were the hour-long ones. I do think it made a difference. Not quite as much as I was expecting, but it definitely helps. So I would recommend it. You can see here, they're quite a bit more white. So weird smiling like that and just showing you my teeth, but that's the point of this video. So yeah, actually you can tell now that I'm looking at it in the camera view, they're like pretty close to this wall color, and my walls are white. So yeah, I think they look pretty good. I did have some sensitivity after using them just to cold things, and it was just on the front of my teeth here. So just that part, it was mostly the top teeth and not so much the bottom. So that's good to just keep in mind if you do have sensitive teeth or sensitive gums. I don't know if I would recommend this for you. It does go away though after you stop using the Crest strips. And I am dressed like this, wearing this shirt, headband, and earrings with my makeup done because I just did a makeup tutorial for summer, so be sure to check that video out as well. I will put it right here on the card on YouTube. Of course, before you try this, I would recommend talking to your dentist to see if it's good for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Can't wait to chat with you guys. See you next week.